Dancer, he was trying to stand up, darling. Why don't you let him stand up? Dancer literally just kidded. She had him at 6:50 this afternoon. So he's just minutes old. Naturally, Dancer is gonna lick him. Lick, lick, lick. She says he can't be the dirty, stinky kid of the barn. But ain't he cute? Look at that. Dancer's always a good mama. Has lots of milk and everything for her kids. Oh, she's gonna get him clean. He was trying to get up, baby. And you knocked him over so you could clean him. Bless his heart. No, don't clean my camera. No, don't clean my camera. Ain't he cute?